Hello, Billy Joe here from Elkhart Instructional Tech to show you how to attach a PowerTeacher standard to an assignment that will auto-calculate, saving you much needed time. Let's dive in. Here I am in PowerTeacher Pro. To begin, navigate to Reading, Language Arts, or Math. Tap the plus icon to create a new assignment. Once in the assignment window, enter all necessary details on the Assignment tab. Next, tap the Standards tab and select one or more standards that connect to the assignment. Be sure to check the box next to Auto Calculate Assignment Standard Scores, and then select Save and Close. When entering scores, type in the scores for the assignment, and then Auto Calculated Standards will appear. You can add standards to an existing assignment as well. Double tap on a current assignment and choose Edit Assignment. In the Standards tab, you will need to select Show All in order to select one or more standards. Be sure to check the box next to Auto Calculate Assignment Standard Scores and then select Save and Close. You will instantly notice that standard scores have been automatically added. At any time, you can manually enter another score for a standard by deleting the numeric value and typing in the desired value. At the end of the grading period, when it is time to finalize grades, you will see scores for standards you attach to assignments in the Standards section of Grades within PowerTeacher Pro. You can change any values you wish before finalizing grades. Attaching standards to assignments in PowerTeacher Pro for reading, language arts, and math will not only save you time, but also aligns the standards to produce a data-driven score. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please add them in the comment section of this video or contact us in our Linktree link in the description.